students, this is question number 3. It's exercise 4B, book 4, 8th edition. Diagram shows a quadrilateral PLMN. Now simplify LM plus MN. So you can see the diagram over here. And now what they are asking LM plus MN. This is LM. L से M तक जाना है. Start from the first letter. L से M तक जाना है, M से L नहीं. Just read the letters very carefully. LM and then MN. It's mean we have to go from LM and then MN. It's mean the resultant vector would be LN. L से M और M से N तक जाएंगे. It's mean हम direct L से N भी जा सकते हैं. Now we have to show the working and the answer. हम कैसे show करेंगे? How can we solve this? So M and M are common. M and M are common. So we can cancel out both of them and the answer would be Ln. And you can see over here, मैंने आपसे क्या कहा? Lm and then Mn. जब हम इस तरह से जाएंगे and then the answer would be Ln. क्योंकि L से M and M से N तक जाएंगे तो आंसर हमारा रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर क्या बनेगा? Ln. And see, we have cancelled the comma. It's very simple working to find out the addition of any vector. Okay, now move to part 2 so you can understand more. हम करते जाएंगे so you will understand. Keep understanding. Okay. Now I am rubbing this. Now what they are asking? Pn and LP. Okay, Pn and LP. This is Pn and LP. Now can you see there are no common alphabets and you know अगर मैं इसको NP बना दूंगी या इसको चेंज कर दूंगी तो इनकी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाती है. We have done in exercise 4A that अगर हम वेक्टर्स के अल्फ़ाबेट शिफ्ट करते हैं तो उनकी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाती है. So what simple thing we can do it, I can write LP first and then PN. मैंने कुछ भी चेंज नहीं किया. जैसे हम 3 + 5 करते हैं तो भी आंसर 8 आता है एंड 5 + 3 करते हैं तो भी आंसर 8 ही आता है. इसी तरह मैंने LP को पहले लिख दिया एंड PN को बाद में लिख दिया. नाउ वी कैन सी दैट P and P are common, so we will cancel from both and the answer would be LN. Now I am showing you over here. LP is over here and Pn is over P से N. So it's mean that the resultant vector would be Ln. And you can see that our answer is also Ln. हमारा भी आंसर Ln ही आया है. So I have explained you with the diagram and with the working as well. What we have done, we have just shifted the numbers. Vectors. Okay, now move to third part. It's Ln plus Nm plus Mp. How we can solve this? So here we can see that first of all we will use these two. हम तीनों को एक साथ नहीं कर सकते. First of all we are going to do these two, Ln N. So we'll cancel out N from both. So we will get Lm. Very simple and easy working. Our answer is Lm plus Mp. And now you can again see that M and M are common in both. So we'll cancel out and our answer will be LP. Now I am explaining you in the diagram. See over here. First of all we were moving from Ln to Nm. Ln to Nm. It's mean Ln and then Nm. It's mean Ln से हमें Nm जाना था and Ln से Nm के बाद हमारे पास आंसर आया था Lm. हमारा आंसर था Lm. ठीक है. and then Mp जाना था. M से P जाना था. Ln, see we have done Lm and then MP. So the answer is LP. हमारा आंसर क्या आया? Lm and MP से हमारा रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर बन रहा है LP. So we have done LP. So this was question number 3. Thanks for watching my video.